Welcome to my channel, everybody. This is the Simple Stories collection, Sunny Days, and this is the collection kit that I'll be using for the National Scrapbooking Day virtual retreat. So I thought I'd kind of walk through and show you everything that is in the collection that I'll be using, along with some of the couple extra things that you'll receive. Let's start with the collection kit. So like I said, this is the essential kit. So you'll get all of this stuff in a nicely packed goodie bag here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So sorry about that little crinkling noise. I'll take everything out. And this is a fun paper collection. Nice and summery. So here are the chipboard stickers that we'll be using for Sunny Days, and you've got a good variety. It's kind of a nice cross. It's not super retro, but yet there are obviously some retro things, but it could be also a little bit more, I don't know, I think it could be for current day stuff too. So we've got popsicles and the hello banner. We've got our sun hat and camera. So obviously some of this is pretty retro. The bottle cap here that says hello sunshine, flowers, summer, soak it up, happy time. So just, okay, the more I look at it, the more retro it is. I'm going to change my view on this, I think. The swimsuit here, sunny. So nice, good variety of colors. Okay, I'm trying to show you at a different angle so that the wrapping here doesn't give you too much of a glare. Little ice cream cone. Okay, there are 32 stickers in here, so that's fun. You get the journal bits. There's 38 pieces in here. Let's take a look at some of those. We'll take some out and just kind of take a little look. I'm not going to look through all of them. Some of them are pretty small pieces. Like I see a little heart in there. But we have a summer to remember. So an envelope. There's another little heart. These are the days, some places for journaling, variety of different shapes and sizes. We've got some tags. We've got some tabs. Okay, that's kind of nice to have to work with. Cool, sweet. They all have some words on them. Again, some more hearts. We've got some elements for borders, like the zigzag. We've got some scallop, some floral here. There's floral on that one. There's a place to write. The and. More labels here. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. I like this one. It's got like a watercolor feel to it. Okay. So that is the journal bits. So lots of places to do some writing, putting some dates on there. Let me put that back in the bag so I don't lose any of these tiny pieces. All right. Sunny Days. Okay, this is totally retro. I don't know who I'm trying to kid. I haven't made the project yet at the time of this filming, this recording, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. I like the look of this. This is the page pieces. There's 18. So a lot of times this is used for layouts, but it doesn't have to be. Ooh, I like that radio I see. Real-time transistor. All right, so hello summer. More hearts there. We've got a floral element, the sun, bathing suit with the sun hat. There's that radio. All right. There's the sunglasses. That will those would be good layering pieces. Okay, I'm anxious to get into the paper. I have not yet looked at the paper, so we'll be looking at it together for the first time. I do like retro, even though a lot of times people say that I'm like a shabby chic person, which I am. I like, that style. I still like the retro papers, vintage papers. I like a good variety, so it's nice to have different types to work with. All right. Oopsie, I bent that. My hands are so cold. Can't hold on to it. All right, so get that tucked away. Okay, so there's that. You do get the sticker sheet. I like it that they always include lots of sayings. I'm a person who likes to include words and phrases on my pages if I'm making a book or a tag or anything. Love the old-fashioned keychain here. Summer breeze, the pop with the straw coming out. Good vibes. Okay, so some of these look very similar to some of the ephemera pieces that we just went through, like the radio. We've got a little moped. So some of the sayings: endless fun in the sun, summer lovin', eat, play, repeat, happy, 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 play all day long, soak it up. We've got butterflies, kites. Okay, that's a cute camera with the plaid on there. So there's that. And finally, the paper collection. So here's that cover page to kind of get an idea. So let's take a peek. So this is kind of looks, like the sun and then the rays. It's got some stitching marks like it's been sewn. We've got the different papers that they put together, like a ledger, regular writing paper. And then we have the orange with the white polka dots. This is called Soak It Up, this page is. Okay, now there's one of each sheet. This one is super cute. This is Keep Cool. So we've got our ice cream cones. It looks like pieces of tape on different cards. Kind of like book cards, actually. And then we have the blue lined paper. I like this side a lot. Lots. Okay, we've got some cute little swimsuits here for sunny times. The sunglasses I totally love. I have a pair of white sunglasses in this shape, and they've got like pink polka dots on them. Super cute. And we have polka dots. I was just talking about my sunglasses that had polka dots. Okay, fun colors. It's all good. So we've got some foliage here, some greens, and I call that not really yellow, it's just a really super, super light green maybe. And then we have a nice diagonal stripe. Kind of looks like a watercolor feel to it. All very bright and fun. We've got a floral print here. This one's Summer Vibes. So we saw the ephemera pieces or the bits, the journal bits and stuff that had some of this flower pieces. It says name, number, instructor, and date. So it does look like a library, like a really large library card of some sort, and it's got your black polka dots on it. Stay bright, so like in the shape of clouds. This almost looks real when you see it in person. It looks like they've actually got papers that they cut out and put on here, and it looks like real stitching. And then a nice sunny bright yellow on the other side. Happy days with some multicolored dots that overlap one another. And we've got our green with white stripe. Kind of reminds me of grass, football field. Tags, which I always love. Smile, snap, click. That's cute. Sunshine on my mind. Old-fashioned van, old Volkswagen van, bug. And on the other side are the journaling tags, so you can write on those. It's always hard for me to know which side to use, so I try and use them in a way that you could use either way. I like that pink with those white flowers on it. And that one too. I'm a pink girl. Okay. We've got some journal elements. This is that one I liked. I really like this design on this one. You could use this together or separate. Cut those out in individual pieces. Different sizes are nice. There's that camera. And look at how pretty that is. That's really pretty. Those flowers. We've got 3x4 cards here. I really like the camera. And what's that say? So flippin' cool. Slow down, soak it up. The umbrella here. And I like this too. That's one of my favorite color pinks. Okay, nice. We've got 2x2s and 4x4s on this one. Some flip-flops. There's that bottle cap. Part of that old-fashioned van heading to the beach. It's all good. Sweet. And then a nice stripe on the back with some blue. Okay. Very fun paper. Very, very fun paper. All right. So along with your paper collection and your stickers and these extra elements in the essential kit, you should get a bag that has some, what is that, 1/8 inch pink ribbon and some twine, jute. It's got like a gold to it. Okay, you'll get that. We'll be using the 8.5 by 11 chipboard. This is your thicker chipboard. It's not the lightweight. It's got a good hold, nice and durable. And you also receive artisan cardstock. So I'm not really 100% sure on this color, but it is awesome. It's, ooh, I wish I would, what's the name of this color? It's very nice. I don't know. Looks like you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, looks like 15 sheets of 12 by 12. Okay, so that is my collection kit for the National Scrapbooking Day virtual retreat. 15 sheets of the 12 by 12 artisan, 2 8.5 by 11 heavyweight chipboard pieces, the bag of ribbon in a bright pink, and then that jute, not jute, baker's twine in the gold with the white. And then your collector's kit that's called Sunny Days by Simple Stories. Okay, so that's what we'll be using for my project. And everything you need is right here. You'll just need to get your basic supplies like your scissors and your glue and that type of thing. All right, I'm looking forward to it. Hope you are too.